Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a mail call. This box comes all the way from Independence, Missouri, from HewittzHotWheelz. James is not just an avid collector of all things die-cast, but I have told him, and I'll tell you, I think he's the finest customizer among us. Here's a note. Hello, Andrew. I hope all is well. I also hope this arrives safely. I added a few cool castings I figured you wouldn't have. I hope you enjoy the Mountain Dew Porsche and approve of the custom. Thanks for all of the Discovery Channel content. James draws happy faces. James A. Hewitt, and he says A is for Andrew. My middle name? All right. Well, we start off with a couple of customized stickers, and I think this is a brand new one. Got the Badman stickers, couple of different varieties. Yeah, the one with the wings is new. Well, James, that goes right here on my work mat. Thanks for doing that. And we're starting off with a few castings. He said, I figured you don't have, and you are right about that. I don't have very much of anything, James. But I'm a NASCAR guy, and we're starting off with a number 28 Ricky Rudd. I think this is a 2000 Taurus, the Texaco car. And it was put a couple pieces together, and check it out. Love the NASCAR liveries and the artwork on there. Great wheels, too. All right, back in the box. Number 5, Kellogg's Corn Flakes. That's Terry Labonte, I think. These packages are like Russian dolls. There's one inside of the next and another one. Very cool. Okay. They're roll cages, tricked out interiors. Hoods pop open on these so you get a peek at the engine. I like these. Thanks, James. You're very generous to start me off with these. And 1, 2, and number 3, I don't have any of these. This is Darrell Waltrip in a 95 Monte Carlo. Let's pull it out and have a look. Oh, yeah. Western Auto. I like all of these. This is my first action casting. James, would you mind if these wheels go on to another project or something like that? They're all grist for the mill when you're a fellow customizer. But for the time, they'll stay in these boxes so I know where they come from and a little bit about them. But this is why we're here today. James participated in my recent 2nd anniversary for my YouTube channel. It was an all Porsche build-off. And look at this. You know, in the movies, whenever an enemy submarine is captured, the scientists take it apart piece by piece to see how it works. Well, I got my white lab coat on here, and I am holding a HewittzHotWheelz custom Porsche in my hands. Comes in this beautiful display box. I have to carefully unscrew it. The whole concept was design any kind of Porsche, customize it, and give it away. And James said, I'd like to give it to you. And I wrote him and I said, that's really not my intent, and it's going to cost you a lot to mail it to Switzerland. He said, buddy, I want it to go to you. And I said, oh, wow, all right, mail it on. And now I am holding this in my hand and I am inspecting this. Look at the wheels, disc brakes, the detail inside, James. Roll cage, they're painted out, the tail lights. Underneath, exhaust system. There's a miniature of the brand new sticker. I like that. That's a cool idea. The wheels are blowing me away. The front chin spoiler and the rear wing are both supported with these posts. Now these are not just glued on, they are countersunk right into the casting. Roof mounted antenna. Perfect glossy finish on the Mountain Dew livery. I love Mountain Dew, by the way. Porsche on the windshield. Now check out inside. Gear shift. I love it. And even the steering wheel has the racing control box on it, and that's detailed. I'm absolutely speechless here. It's one of the finest shiny customs I've ever seen. And you know, these don't always travel well. James, that's the only thing that happened is one exhaust tip came off, and I'll be careful to put that back in place before I put this on a turntable. 3 NASCARs and the North Korean sub itself. There it is. Got the sticker already on my work mat. Here's the extra swag. James, thank you so much for participating and for paying it forward to me in Switzerland. I appreciate it so much. It's an absolutely prized possession now. Come on back real soon, everybody. For more content like this, it's coffee time.